Drone battles blaze, aerial firefighting revolutionized. Imagine a drone, unlike any other, soaring through the sky. Its mission? To confront a fierce grass fire below. As it approaches, the drone reveals its secret weapon, a water tank, ready to tackle the flames head-on. With precision and grace, it hovers over the blaze. The fire seems unstoppable, but our drone is on a mission. Suddenly, a stream of water cascades down, dousing the flames beneath. It's a battle between technology and nature. The fire retreats with every drop, the once raging inferno now a smoldering memory, thanks to our aerial firefighter. This isn't just any drone, it's a guardian of the wild, a protector of the land. It's innovation in action. Together, we're reimagining firefighting, one flight at a time. Join us in this journey, where technology meets courage in the skies.